Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2020 Ram 1500. This four-door, five-passenger truck leads among competitors in its segment. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. It includes heated seats, a leather steering wheel, a trip computer, heated door mirrors, a trailer hitch, a bedliner, and power windows. Power adjustable pedals allow the driver to optimize his or her driving position, enhancing visibility, comfort, and safety. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Call now to schedule a test drive.